Looking to build a solid gaming PC for 1440p without breaking the bank? Check out the $750 build that packs a punch. First up, the AMD Ryzen 5 5600. With 6 cores and 12 threads, it's a powerhouse for gaming at just $125. Pair that with the MSI V550M Pro VDH Wi-Fi motherboard for $100, and you've got a strong foundation. Now, let's talk RAM. A 16GB kit of DDR4-3600 for only $50 ensures smooth multitasking and gaming. The real star here is the AMD Radeon RX 7700 XT. At $370, it delivers fantastic performance at high settings for 1440p gaming. For storage, a 1TB NVMe SSD at $60 gives you lightning-fast load times. Don't forget a reliable 650W80 Plus bronze PSU for $50 to keep everything powered efficiently. Finally, wrap it all up in a Montech Air 100 case for another $50, ensuring great airflow. This setup not only performs well but also leaves room for future upgrades. It's a balanced, efficient build that's perfect for gamers on a budget. Subscribe, this helps us more.